Write the equation in vertex form for the parabola that has a vertex of -6, -4 and passes through the point -2, 12. So we're writing an equation in vertex form. We have the vertex at -6, -4, and we know that this passes through the point -2, 12. So first recall that the equation for a parabola in vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And note that the vertex is located at the point h, k. So let's start with what we know. We know that the vertex is located at -6, -4, and that -6, -4 is that hk. So we know that h is equal to -6 and k is equal to -4. We also know that this parabola goes through the point -2, 12. A point is in the form x, y, so we know that x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 12. What we don't know is that a value. So we can plug in our known values to solve. So let's substitute y, 12, equals a times x, which is -2, minus h, which is -6 squared, plus k, which is -4. So now we can solve for a. So let's start by simplifying inside the parentheses. Minus -6, that's -1 times -6 is +6. So I rewrote this to say 12 equals a, -2 plus 6 squared minus 4. Next, we can simplify inside the parentheses. -2 plus 6 is 4. So we have 12 equals a times 4 squared minus 4. The next order of operations is exponents. So 4 squared is 16. So I have 12 equals 16a minus 4. Now to isolate the a, we can use inverse operations. First, let's move that -4. The inverse of subtraction is addition. So I'll add 4 to both sides of my equation. And 12 plus 4 is 16. So I have 16 equals 16a. Again, inverse operations, we have that 16a, that's 16 times a. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I'll divide both sides by 16. And 16 divided by 16 is 1. So I have a equals 1. Now that we know the value for a, h, and k, we can substitute into that equation in vertex form. So my equation is going to be y equals 1, because a is 1, x minus -6, because h is -6, squared minus 4, because k is -4. Now we can simplify to have our final equation. So y equals x plus 6 squared minus 4.